In this video, we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth connected a laptop but no sound on Windows 11. Method 1. Set audio output. Click on speaker icon on the taskbar. Click on sound output. Select your Bluetooth headphones or speaker. Method 2. Check mute on both devices. Click on speaker icon. Increase laptop volume. Now, increase volume on Bluetooth device and make sure it's not on mute. Method 3. Restart Bluetooth services. Click in Search, type Services. Click on Run as Administrator. Here, you have to search for Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service and Bluetooth Support Service. Then click on Restart for both services. Afterwards, reconnect your device. Method 4. Remove and repair the Bluetooth device. Click on Start icon. Open Settings. On the left, click on Bluetooth and Devices. You will see Bluetooth device in here. Click on 3 dots and select Remove. Afterwards, click on Start and restart your laptop. Then pair the device again. Method 5. Reinstall drivers. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth. You will see your device listed in here. Simply right-click, select Uninstall Device, and uninstall it. Then click on Windows icon and restart your laptop. After restart, Windows reinstall the drivers automatically. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth connected a laptop but no sound on Windows 11. See you in the next video.